Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where I'm not a master chef, but I am a master at making a mess in the kitchen. Today we're going to make baked chicken thighs. To a small bowl, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a half teaspoon of black pepper. And we're going to give that a tiny whisk together. And we're going to pat dry 3 pounds. We're going to pat dry 3 pounds of bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. Now we're going to coat these on each side with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now that we got our chicken all nice and oily, we're going to take our seasoning mix, sprinkle it on, and now we're going to make sure all sides have seasoning on the chicken. And now, to a 9x13, we're going to arrange the chicken thighs in, skin side up. And now we're going to bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees. 30 to 40 minutes, or until the internal temperature of the chicken reaches 165. And after 40 minutes, it's time to eat. It's time to dig in. Bon appetit. That's some good baked chicken. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.